What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today it's gonna be another mod day. Subtle mod. It's definitely gonna improve the rear end of the car, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough about some things that are gonna come up next. They're gonna get here very soon, and then I'm gonna do the finishing touches, and then I think I'm done with the exterior of the car. So I got a crazy deal on this. At least I think it's crazy, honestly. Let me show you guys real quick. Don't mind the mess over here. It's kind of clearing up a little bit, actually. I removed the box, so this right here, damn, I didn't think it was such a tight fit. Look at this, guys. The carbon diffuser, it's like the M Performance one, I guess. It's from Kies. So my boy actually had it on his car, and unfortunately he sold his car. So he blessed me with this carbon fiber diffuser, and it has the 3 fins. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little DIY and install it, and that thing is gonna look so mean. And if you guys didn't watch my previous video, I talked a little bit about the tips. I got these tips from IRL. Shout out you guys for sending that over with the titanium intakes, and they look so freaking good. I've gotten so many compliments already, and they're literally so aggressive. Even though they're black, they still look freaking insane. I actually never measured it before either, so let's see where we're at here. Bro, it's literally 4 1/4. That's nuts. Yep, 4 1/4. That's the diameter. So it fills up the gap very nicely here. So I'm gonna make sure that the new diffuser doesn't touch the tips. Hopefully everything fits well, and then you guys are gonna see the aftermath. So let's close this up and let's get straight into it. I'm assuming, I haven't watched the video yet of somebody else doing this, but I'm assuming there's tabs on the bottom, and then somehow I just yank it off. I'm gonna watch something real quick and then see if I'm on the right path. So I watched a few videos. Shows 4 clips have to come out. This one, and then there's one on the edge, and then one on the other edge right here. So those 4 come out. I saw some people take this out, push this down, up, side to side. I don't freaking know. Let's see, how do we, oh, there we go. And then there's a clip around here. Yep, that's it. That's the first one. Probably just have to push that down, pull out. Same thing with the side, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. And the funny part is that every video was like, oh, this is super easy. So let's be the real judges of that. Let's see how it goes. There's 1, 2. This is probably the easiest part of this install, to be honest. Down to the last one. And there we go, there's 4. These are the 4 pieces right here, and make sure you don't break these. It's a little hard to even break these, but just be careful, because you're gonna use these to put the other diffuser on and hold it on from the bottom. Now we have to see how we can start removing this piece, because obviously if you guys didn't know, the diffuser and this piece up here are separate. So we're only gonna take out this part, and the trim is gonna stay. We might have to yank a little bit and tug it. It should not break. I just got to be careful with the clips, you know? So let's take a stab at it. Those are the clips right here. One right here, and then the other one right there. We're gonna have to push that in, and then we can push the diffuser out. Trying to get the best angle for you guys. So we push this down. Damn. There we go. Jeez, guys, this one took some tugging. All right, let's go slowly. Jeez, guys, this is kind of scary. You feel like it's gonna break, but you just have to slowly get closer and closer. And then on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing I did from that side. These are on the side. This, you have to push this way and then pull out. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here. All right, guys, there we go. Let's take a closer look here. We got these on the side here that I got from under the car. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top, right? And we started off from the tow hook side. So this, if you look a little bit closer here, this you gotta push down and pull. On these sides, you have to push from the outside in, and then push out. As you can see, this one's gloss black and it doesn't have the fin in the middle. Right here, look. You can see the difference. And it's pretty much almost the same design except that third fin. So let's go ahead and put this on and let's see how it looks. Let's line these up. You guys can see the slot there. And then I'm just gonna push this along right in there. And then wait till I hear that click. Same thing on this side. You guys can see that's pretty much the line. We're gonna go ahead, lift, and we should, there we go. Same thing. Again, boom. This one might be the easiest one to see. And we're gonna click, boom. That's it. And then these on the side, see if we could get right here. Might have to go from the bottom. Let's see. Oh, right there. There we go. It's kind of crashing with my extensions. Let me go behind here and see what it looks like. All right, guys, looks good. It's clipped on here and right here. And the hole is aligned right here as well. Damn, there we go. Look, there's clearance on the tips as well. The fitment's spot on too. Look at that. It is perfect. So now I'm gonna put these little 4 tabs back and that should be it. Last touch. You gotta put it back through there. Gotta put the top in first. Had to bring it out in the light just a little bit, but guys, look, that looks much more aggressive with that third fin down the middle. And I finally have enough carbon to match the rest of the car in the front. So we got the carbon diffuser, we got the extensions. Again, the extensions are from Carbon Industries. The diffuser, I believe it's from Kies, that's what I was told. And then I got my high kick spoiler here from NW Carbon House. And guys, the only thing I have left is the side skirts. I'm going with the side skirt extensions, same style as the rear right here, and that's actually coming in tomorrow. So most likely the next video that you guys see will be the install of the carbon extensions. I still have to do mirrors, and something I didn't notice, this thing is black, and I don't even know why it's black because the roof is carbon, but that's another piece I have to add. And I'll do this plastic piece as well. But guys, the exterior is almost done. I mean, what else will you guys do to this? I actually have canards in the trunk. I don't know if I want to install those or not, to be honest, but you guys let me know. Should I install the canards? I'll actually show you guys real quick what they look like. Here it is. So these actually go right around here. Let me see, let me turn this down a little bit. What do you guys think? Should I add that or not? I don't know how I feel about these, to be honest. I think it goes like somewhere around there. And then there's a second piece, this little one, that I believe goes on the bottom. So it's 2. I don't know if it's too much. I don't know. You guys let me know if I should do that or just sell them and get something else. I'm 50-50 on that, to be honest. And I'm just spilling all the beans right now. As you guys can see, I got the titanium intakes from IRO, and I also bought the titanium engine bolts from Downstars. So that's gonna tie it all in together. And I'm thinking about paint matching the engine cover. You guys let me know if that's a good idea or if I should do carbon. I'm thinking about paint match because I'm getting carbon strut bars and I don't want too much carbon going on here. But you guys let me know what you think. I think as soon as I get the bolts it'll look a little bit more complete, and then you guys might be able to picture what a carbon engine cover or what a paint matched engine cover would look like. And besides that, I think my brake calipers, I either want to do yellow or paint match the Skyscraper gray. I think Skyscraper gray would look sick, a nice silver brake caliper. It'll be different than what you guys normally see. And the wheels, might keep them this color, or I might powder coat them or wet paint them champagne gold or motorsport gold like the Apex wheels, or just get new wheels in general. But this is what she's looking like right now, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think about the current plans that I have for the car, and let me know what you guys think about this new diffuser. I think it looks very, very nice, very aggressive. That's it for today's video. The install took about 35 minutes. Obviously it takes a little bit longer when you're doing videos and stuff like that, but I think it was definitely a must-have for the rear of the car. It makes it look a lot better. It ties in all the carbon, you know, and I don't want to do like the carbon trim on the outside there. I think I'm gonna paint match the trims, so that's gonna look so good in my opinion. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea, just paint matching the trims and everything else that I mentioned. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, guys, and please subscribe. Let's get to 3K before the new year, guys. I appreciate you guys like always, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.